Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today's March 19, 2023. We're here to talk about DWAC today, Digital Acquisition World Corporation. Digital World Acquisition Corp, which is part of a SPAC that Donald Trump is trying to create with his social media platform, Truth Social. Now, this particular platform or this SPAC may be in jeopardy, considering that he may be indicted in New York. Now, how could this possibly impact DWAC? That's what I'm here to talk about. I'm not here to talk about Donald Trump and the possible indictment that he may go through. I'm seeing how that situation could impact the price value of DWAC. So let's go ahead and talk about it. So here's an article right here, first of all, from the New York Times, talking about how Trump is claiming that he is going to get arrested and he calls for protests. So I highlighted this section right here. Real quick, with a Manhattan grand jury indictment likely, but its timing unclear, Donald Trump sought to rally supporters to his side, declaring that he will be arrested on Tuesday and calling for protests. Mr. Trump made the declaration on his site, Truth Social, which is correlated with DWAC, at 7:26 in the morning on Saturday in a post that ended with, this is what the post read, and I quote, "The far and away leading Republican candidate and former president of the United States of America will be arrested on Tuesday of next week. Protests take our nation back." Yeah, that's what he tweeted, or that's what he posted on Truth Social. And everyone is up in arms. Everyone is grabbing this post and running with a narrative now. Now, from my standpoint, from where I'm standing, I'm strictly focused in on DWAC and the price. Now, do you think if, let's say, he does get indicted, what's going to happen to DWAC? Is the price going to go up? Is the price going to go down? Because understand one thing about business. There's certain things that you want to not allow happen because it could be detrimental to the business. Now, I think we all can agree that DWAC, Truth Social, is only around because of Donald Trump. He is the image. He is the brand. He is the one that is pushing Truth Social. I think we all can agree to that. What would Truth Social be if he was to be arrested and locked up in prison? Will Truth Social still flourish? Will it still be around? Will people still use the platform if he's not on it? There's already been other social media platform that has deplatformed him from posting content. That's why he went and created Truth Social. Now, what if he leaves Truth Social? Is that going to be a battleground for everyone else to continue to use it? What's going to happen to this SPAC? Will it actually go through, or will it fall and come to nothing? The price chart tells us, it gives us a hint and lets us know what the investors, those who are actually buying and selling DWAC, is thinking. Now, check this out though. I did a video in DWAC, right? Taking it all the way back to the beginning of the year, the 21st of January. I was already looking for DWAC to go down. Here we are today. So from the 21st of January to March 17th, DWAC has lost 20% of his value. Now, none of this was even being talked about in the beginning of the year, in January, of Donald Trump being indicted or him sending out a post saying that his indictment is imminent. None of that was even around at that time. You could not even consider that thing being possible, but here it is today. So without even knowing about the situation currently that Trump is going through, why did the stock still go down 20%? So I think that this situation of him being indicted is going to add more fuel to those who feel that DWAC is not going to come to fruition, the conclusion of this SPAC and Truth Social. Now, we're not that far from the beginning price level of DWAC. Okay, so check this out. This was a SPAC, so the initial price to get in DWAC was $10. The market currently is around $12.50. We don't have that far to go. Does it look good for DWAC? Congratulations to those who also predicted that the stock was going to go down, because we haven't changed our original analysis. Nothing has changed in regards to DWAC. We're still trending to the downside. Market tells us that there's some issues going on with DWAC and the merger with Truth Social. I'm not pushing a narrative. I'm just simply showing you the chart, because money talks for real, and it talks off of the price chart. That's why I tell everyone who views my videos and my content that charts don't lie. You need to believe it. Someone knows something about DWAC and Truth Social. Let's look at the market here in DWAC on a weekly chart. Okay, you guys can see a little bit clearer that nothing has changed in DWAC. Nothing. If anything, we can see it clearer now of the possibility that DWAC will run all the way back down to $10, right? Yes, for sure. Okay. So now, question, what are you going to do? I keep it a buck. I keep it real. I keep it 100. If the market is looking this way, why would you want to come and buy a stock, a SPAC that looks like this? It's supposed to go the opposite direction. Price is to know that it's a buy. When you see a stock trending down, it tells you that it's a sell until you see a change occur. And we haven't seen a change occur in DWAC. Not one change. Not one. The market continues to reflect that it's not garnering a lot of attention, demand, or interest for this stock. I'm done. I'm still looking for DWAC to continue to trend down. Now, the only thing that is uncertain is how low it's going to go. I've already mentioned $10, which would take us to, let's see. So let's say that we think the price in DWAC is going to run at $10. That's another 20% move to the downside. Okay, 20%. So I'll do that. We're running down to $10, and as long as price in DWAC definitely trades below this downtrend line, we're going to look for the market to continue to go lower. But definitely if it trades below 14 as well too. Okay, that's it. I'm done. Give me your thoughts. Make sure you maintain the profitability, and as always, trade different.